what I'm about to say now will come as a shocker to a lot of people. In fact, I didn't want to even come online to say this. But when I saw the press release from Iyabo Ojo, I felt somehow. I just felt somehow. Now, about 12 days ago, about 12, 13 days ago, myself and Iyabo Ojo had a private meeting where we sat down, we were looking at ourselves face to face. Myself and Iyabo Ojo. We were supposed to meet in an apartment. I gave them I rented an apartment, but she said she wasn't feeling comfortable, that we should meet in Somerset hotels. When we got there, she had a bouncer, she had her lawyers and some people. I came with Kokopi and C-Pack. Immediately, because I didn't want them to take a picture, I went there with genuine heart. I told everybody to drop their phones on the table. Everybody dropped their phones. And I said myself and Iyabo Ojo should move and we should go and talk. We sat down face to face. The first thing I told Iyabo Ojo, and I swear that on God, I swear that on my mother's life that I hold dearly, I swear that on every good thing on earth. And I use this iron for people that are spiritual and I know. I need to when I define for this life, make I know see. First thing I told Iyabo Ojo is this. I said, Iyabo Ojo, if I tell you that I did not see this day coming, where you request to see me, when me and you will sit down like this to talk, then I'll be a liar. I said, Iyabo Ojo, I am a very spiritual person. I am a very, very spiritual person. My spirit is clean. My soul is clean. I see things. She was just looking at me like this. The next thing I said to Iyabo Ojo, I said, you are a very feisty woman, which is good. And you are also emotional. But it kind of made you do some things that you're not supposed to do. But I understand because you were emotional. She was still looking at me. Then I went further to say, in order to assure her that whatever thing we are going to say, we're good. I said, you were invited 2 days ago, because she was invited to the police station 2 days ago before we met. And I was there that 2 days ago. I said, when we sat down with the people that made them invite you, the people that wrote the petition against you, when we sat down and they brought me in, everything I heard, if it was Very Dark Man of before, I will go online to go and post it. I mean, nobody go doubt me. Very Dark Man does not lie. I told her, but I didn't do it because Very Dark Man have grown. She was looking at me. I went further to say, Iyabo Ojo, God knows that outside that insult, I don't wish your family bad. As a matter of fact, during your daughter's wedding, when everybody was celebrating with your daughter, somebody brought a video that I made years ago, during the time when we were quarreling, when you insult my mother, I insult you back. In that video, I said that your daughter's wedding was not going to last. They were posting that video online. I came back, I made another video and I said, don't post this thing. I wish them well, they should do their thing. Just because I didn't want them to ruin that girl's wedding or spoil the moment online for her. That is to tell you, Iyabo Ojo, that I don't wish you bad. Then from here on, we spoke about what brought us together. She talked, I talked, she talked, I talked. Then I said, see, again, what if? Did you ever sit down to think that maybe those people played on your emotions? They took advantage of your emotions and then they were just sending you things. She was just looking at me. I said, what if you were used as a pawn? Did you ever think that maybe you were used as a pawn? Not only you, maybe me. She was just looking. I'm not going to tell you guys what we spoke about because I told her that I'm not going to share this in public. The only reason why I'm giving these little details that we met is because of what she posted online, this press release. I didn't know why she did the press release. But we all, I was there. When they saw it, I didn't see it first. They forwarded it to me. I just shook my head. I forwarded it to the witnesses. Everybody was just looking like, why would she do this? But this is just one thing I want to leave you with, Iyabo Ojo. Even if nobody sees, God sees. There's somebody that sits above every one of us. And just in case there is no God, the universe sees, the mother nature sees. We can lie to everyone, but we can never lie to ourselves. The day you lie to yourself is the day you kick your path and you open the door to your grave as a person. I really respect her. I respect her so much. The fact that she talks to me, say I respect Iyabo Ojo, and I would not be in the position to disrespect her again. I won't. But the only thing I'll leave you with Iyabo today is God knows and God sees. The universe sees. That's all I want to tell you. And God bless you, Iyabo. God bless you. Sincerely from my heart. God bless you, Iyabo Ojo. God bless you. But also remember that the universe sees and God sees. Thank you very much.